The next iPhone might be so thin it could break records, charge 80% in just 20 minutes, and even come without a single port. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what the iPhone 17 Pro leaks are saying. The leaks of the iPhone 17 Pro have got everyone hyped, and if these features turn out to be true, this could be the most powerful iPhone ever. First, let's talk about the design. Reports say the iPhone 17 Pro might be just 5.2mm slim, making it the thinnest iPhone ever. It could also feature a new titanium graphene frame, which is not only super strong, but also helps with heat dissipation. Apple is expected to bring ProMotion XDR 2.0 with an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz all the way to 240 Hz. That means gaming, scrolling, everything will feel buttery smooth. And with up to 3,500 nits brightness, outdoor visibility will be on another level. Apple is expected to bring ProMotion XDR 2.0 with an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz all the way to 240 Hz. That means gaming, scrolling, everything will feel buttery smooth. The leaks suggest a 200MP main sensor along with a quad lens setup that includes 15x periscope zoom. Night shots, cinematic videos, everything is expected to look way better this time. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to come with a new A19 Bionic chip built on 3nm Plus technology. Alongside that, we might see 16GB RAM and storage going up to 2 TB. So speed and multitasking should be insane. Leaks point to MagSafe Ultra 50W fast charging, which can charge up to 80% in just 20 minutes. And the biggest change? The iPhone 17 Pro might be completely portless, everything wireless. Apple could introduce Neural Vision AI, a system that takes live translation, smart object recognition, and the AI assistant to the next level. So yeah, the iPhone 17 Pro leaks are looking wild. Record-breaking thin design, crazy cameras, blazing fast charging, and even a portless future. If Apple really pulls this off, it could be the boldest iPhone ever. But what do you guys think? Would you buy a portless iPhone? Or is Apple pushing it too far? Let me know in the comments. If you love that ride, hit like, smash, subscribe, and welcome to ZanzluuTech, where the leaks never sleep and the future always shows up early. See you in the next.